is what happens when I start filming. It starts raining. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. If you're new here, my name's Anuja. I'm a Sri Lankan YouTuber that does videos on music, beauty and lifestyle. So if you like my channel, please do subscribe. So I feel like I haven't done like makeup looks in a while, so I thought today is the day. So today what I'm gonna do is Google is gonna choose my makeup. That's one part of it. Second part is I actually do want to try out a new foundation because you guys are probably like sick of me using my NARS Sheer Glow foundation or sometimes Fenty Beauty foundation. So I thought I would give to you a first impression foundation video just alongside it as well. Before I get into the Google picks my makeup, I want to get into the foundation. It is this beauty right here. It's still in the box. Now this is the Too Faced Born This Way. It says undetectable medium to full coverage foundation. Now I am someone who likes sheer foundation more than like full coverage, but I'm gonna give it a go. I've heard amazing things about this. So if you are my color and you are considering buying this foundation, then I hope this is helpful. The color that I chose is called, I don't know if you can see that, but it's called Praline. I did try pretty much all the shades they had or what Mecca had in New Zealand, and this is the closest that I could get it to my skin. I haven't put it on my face fully yet, so I will know if I like it alongside you guys essentially. So I'm gonna open it and see what it looks like. Let's find out together. Oh, it's very like luxurious. I don't know what the word I'm looking for is, but I do like the bottle. Here it is. Does it have a pump? Oh, thank God. I hate the ones where you don't have a pump. So yeah, excited to try this. So about this Google picks my makeup thing. This has been going around for a while. I think it may have been last year that people started doing it, but I haven't done it, so this is like very delayed, but I thought it would be something fun. Okay, so according to Google, what I need to do is type the initials of my first and last name followed by the word look into Google, and the first image that comes up on the images page is what will be used for the beauty inspiration. So whatever comes up, I have to sort of follow the colors and the theme and make up a look for it essentially. I have cheated. I have seen what it comes up as because I was just too curious. Let me just show you guys what it comes up as. So AL look. Basically it comes up as these bicycles which are yellow and black, and I wasn't sure what I was gonna do with it, but I think I do know, so we're gonna go with it. I'll put a picture of it here so that you guys can see it like close up, and yeah, let's get into it. You can't see the t-shirt, so it looks like I'm just a floating head. Anyway, I brought you guys closer so that you can have a closer look. I have put on moisturizer and some eye cream. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my face. So I'm going to be using this little beauty here, which is the Benefit POREfessional primer. It is just so soft. Sort of like smear it on everywhere. So it's time to use this Born This Way foundation. I don't know how much to use, but let me just show you. Oh, with new ones you do have to pump a little bit. Oh, okay. So maybe I'll just do one pump and see where that gets me, because maybe I don't need that much at all. So you guys know that I just normally put dots. I'm gonna have to be really careful because I feel like one pump is a heck of a lot. We'll soon find out. And I've got like this much left. So I'm gonna keep it on my hand and I'm just gonna get my beauty blender and blend that in. It really does blend really well with the beauty blender. Okay, color wise, it's pretty close. It feels really nice. It actually feels really light. Not cakey at all, but it could be because I didn't use that much. So I'm gonna put a little bit more just to show you guys, mostly. And I don't know how it's gonna look on camera because sometimes it does look a bit different. I feel like maybe I'm a touch darker than the Praline one, but the next dark one is just too dark for me. So I wish there was one sort of in between. But yeah, this is what it looks like. If you are my color, this is probably the closest that you're gonna get to your color, but I mean, obviously, if you can try it yourself, do it without, you know, online ordering and finding out, oh, it's like shades darker or lighter than your skin. The next thing I'm gonna do is put some concealer on, and I'm actually gonna be using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the color Tan Sand. I feel like I haven't used this like in a long time. This is what I normally do, so under my eyes, bridge of my nose, and a few pigmented areas that I have, and a spot here, Cupid's bow, chin, and then I just blend the hell out of it. Okay, the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and the Too Faced Born This Way foundation honestly really complements each other. I don't know if you guys can see, but it like blends in so nice. The next thing I'm going to do is just prime my eyelids before I forget. So I'm using my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in the color Original. And I just like roughly apply it. There's no art to it really, just, you know, that's pretty much it. And then pat, pat, pat. And you're good to go. I think what I'll do is actually do the eyebrow first, because then when I do the eyes, I feel like it'll look really nice. So I'm using my Benefit Brow Gel. This is in the color 4, if you guys are wondering like what a good color is for brown skin. I want to do my eyebrows quite well for this look. So I've done both sides of my eyebrows, and then I'm going to use my Gimme-Brow by Benefit, and I'm just going to enhance those brows. And you can see that I always try and like move the hair up. Can you guys do like, can you guys move your eyebrows individually? Just looks retarded. I think I'm going to do my eyes now because it's not really that much. I'm not actually doing that much to my eyelids. It's just to bring a bit of color because I want to use a very vibrant eyeliner, so you will see that in a bit. I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I think I'm going to put a little bit of this color, which is called Weekender, all over my eyelid, just as a base really. And then what I'm going to do is use the color Riff, which is this color, and I'm going to put it on the creases. When you come to the side, just fan it out. And with the other side, I'm just going to buff it out. And then what I want to do is actually put it on my lower lid as well. And then again at the corner, you just want to fan it out. I'm going to use the color Punk as well. I'm going to put that on my lower eyelid, just very gently. And sort of merge it with the top color. So I'm gonna do that on this side as well, and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is what I have so far. You guys must be like, what the hell is she up to? I do have a plan, I just hope it works. So far I haven't used the colors that I'm supposed to be using, which is yellow and black. That's gonna change right now. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use this, which is my MAC Pro Longwear eyeliner in the color Definedly Black, and I'm gonna line my waterlines. The next thing I'm gonna do is use this, which is a yellow eyeliner, and I know I haven't used it before at all, but I'm gonna give it a go. This is the NYX Vivid Bright, and when I was looking for a yellow eyeliner, I feel like this was the best. I'm just gonna shake it because it's just been lying there for a while. And this has amazing pigmentation. Like, look at that. That's pretty cool. So what I'm hoping is that I will be able to make a winged liner on both sides without screwing everything up. So I've sort of like drawn my skeleton. Yeah, I feel like I'm pretty happy with that shape, and I'm gonna attempt it on the other side. I know I probably look really weird, but trust me, it's gonna come together. Until my paint dries, I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and I'm gonna go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape just because I feel like I've lost a bit of concealer there. It's just like a little bit that I'm gonna put on. To set my foundation, I am using the Too Faced Born This Way, what's this called? Ethereal Setting Powder. Essentially, this is what it looks like. And I know that it looks too pale for my face, but trust me, this just blends in really well. So I'm gonna put a little bit on my brush, do this, and I'm just gonna set it under my eyes. Next thing I'm going to do is put my Hoola by Benefit bronzing powder. Looks like this, comes with a brush, pretty easy to use, and I'm going to use the high points on my face as a guide. I'm going to put it on my forehead as well and on my jawline. The other thing that I want to do is actually highlight my face because I want a bit of dewiness to this look. So today I'm actually going to use my Fenty Beauty highlighter, and this is the Killawatt highlighter in Hustler Baby, which is this one. The reason why I'm using a smaller brush is because I feel like I can control the highlighter better with this. I'm going to put a little bit on my nose as well. A little on my Cupid's bow. Then I'm going to use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to put a good amount on both sides essentially. What I'm going to do is put a little bit of the Fenty highlighter just in the inner corners of my eyes, because I feel like that'll look quite nice. I'm legit just making this up as I go. I haven't planned this at all. What I'm going to do next is take my Smashbox Always On Liquid Liner in the color black, and I'm just going to line the top of my eyelashes, because I feel like it'll just thicken it and it'll make it look really nice. Probably should have done this before the mascara, but let's just see how I go. Right, I do feel like it did thicken it up a little bit. The last thing is lipstick. Now, I have been thinking about it, whether to go for like a black lip or a really dark red lip. I might go for the MAC Sin lipstick. What do you guys think? I've forgotten how much I love Sin lipstick. I haven't worn it, I think mainly because it's been summer here and I don't know, I don't really feel like wearing a very dark lip during summer. And you know what? I think we're done. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It was just a fun video to do. Most of all, I just really wanted to try the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in front of you guys, because I feel like some of you might want to buy it and maybe wanted to see it on a brown skinned girl. Would I recommend it? I actually would. It goes on really flawlessly and it doesn't feel heavy at all, even though it's meant to be like, you know, a medium to full coverage foundation. So if you're looking for a new foundation, I would say give this a go and see what you think. Again, the color that I'm using is Praline. Hope you guys are well, hope you guys are happy. If you like this video, give it a like, leave a comment, and those of you who are watching who haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button and support my channel. And I'll see you guys with another video very soon. Bye guys!